Hello everyone, myself Dr. Nagaraju. I am working as an associate professor in Department of IT, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. So in this session, we are moving to buzzwords in Java or futures of Java. If you observe, actually this is the first topic under any Java. But here we are discussing this topic at last. Why? This Java consists of many features. Java is a simple language. Java is object-oriented, dynamic, robust, secure. Multiple features are there. If we discussed this concept in the first one, whatever I discussed, you blindly follow that one. But right now you are in a position to write Java programs also. And you know what are the different object-oriented principles. Is the Java is easy or not? How can you say that Java is secure? You know all the topics. Then I am moving to this one. So anyway, Java is a high-level language. Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language. The main theme of Java program is write once, run anywhere. Now, these are the main features of Java. Anyway, everyone know all the features and all the features are applied already. We will move on one by one. Observe carefully. First one is simple. How can you say that Java is a simple language? Once you learn C++, so C++ is completed. Java is mostly based on C++. That is, if you understand one programming language, it is very easy to move to Java. That is the one reason. And another reason is C has some concept of pointers. Explicit pointers are there. It is very difficult to understand. C++ operator overloading. What is mean by this one? Suppose I given the symbol plus. What is the use of plus? Plus is used for addition. I said that plus is used for concatenation. The same plus acts in a two different ways. Such type of difficult concepts are removed in Java. So that is simple. And in other programming languages like C++, if you created an object, but if you remove the reference, but the object is existed, that is unreferenced objects. Here in Java, you no need to remove the unreferenced objects manually. An automatic garbage collection means Java only, that is compiler only automatically removes unreferenced objects. Because of that reasons, I said Java is simple. Now everyone agree. Okay, already I completed my Java. I didn't use any pointers. Automatic garbage collection already applied. Then you are agree, yes, Java is a simple. Suppose if I explain this concept in the first lesson, simply you are blind. Okay, Java consists of automatic. You are blindly following. You got my point? Second, object-oriented features. Think everyone know Java follows object-oriented. Everything is treated as an object. It supports multiple features, class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction. Every object-oriented features are implemented by using Java. Next, distributed. This plays very crucial role. What is mean by distributed? Distributed means suppose my information is available in one system. Okay, if you want to access the information from another way through internet, so that means we can access the remote objects on the internet. So whatever I written in my system, that can be easily accessed to other remote locations also. That is possible by using Java. That means by using Java, we are creating distributed applications. Okay. Now, anyway, we done the project. Compiled and interpreted means Java has two steps for execution. First, you need to do compilation by following the syntax Java C space. Suppose your class name is sample. Assume sample.java. What it returns? It returns one byte code. Now, what is the advantage of these two steps? Once the compilation is done, it returns the byte code. This byte code is moved to any mission. No need to compile the byte code in any mission. In any mission, you can execute the byte code. That is the advantage. That is interpretation. Both are supported. Anyway, compiled and interpreted, the performance is high, but compared to C, the time is less. Why? Because C is only compiled, but here you are doing two things. But internally some JIT just-in-time compiler is available, everything is available. Because of that reason also Java becomes the most popular. Now, robust. What is mean by robust? Robust in the sense, simply it runs on different environments and at the same time it is a strictly typed language. What is mean by strictly typed language? In the simple sense, lowercase letter and uppercase letters both are different and any errors are there. We can handle the errors by using exception handling. Automatic garbage collection is possible for memory management. Because of that reasons, Java is a robust language. And Java provides security. Suppose you are developing a project by using Java, whether it provides security or not. How can you identify? Simple thing. Java does not use pointers. Sir, what happened if you use the pointer? The main pointer definition only it holds the address. So if anyone knows the address means we can directly manipulate. But pointers have no concept of address means unauthorized access is completely prevented. And once the bytecode is generated, before execution, the bytecode is also checked. And remember, the Java is executed in a restricted environment. It internally creates one virtual sandbox. Inside the sandbox only the Java application exists. That is outside persons unable to access. So, Java is a secure language. Now, architecture neutral means my Java program does not depend on the architecture. What is mean by this one? For example, if you are using C language, what is the size of integer? 2 bytes. One person says the size of integer is 4 bytes. Which one is correct? Remember, both are right depending upon the mission you are using. Suppose if you are using a 32-bit architecture mission, the size is 2 bytes. If it is a 64-bit, the size of integer is 4 bytes. But coming to Java, whether you are using 32-bit or 64-bit, the size of integer is 4 bytes. Means your Java applications does not depend on the architecture. Neutral means it does not depends. Now, portable. Portable, the name only specifies. Once you are creating the Java program, whatever the Java program that you are created, it after compilation, it generates the bytecode. That bytecode is executed on any platform. That is, I am executed the bytecode in Windows or Mac OS or Linux OS, any type of OS, you can execute the bytecode. That is, moving the code from one mission to another mission is very easy. Now, high performance. Because of this reason, why again repeatedly bytecode means it does not depends on the mission. If you are loading the bytecode in mission 1, it executes related to mission 1. If you place in mission 2, it executes related to mission 2. And that means we are easily translated into the corresponding mission. If it easily translated means obviously the performance is increased. And multi-threaded, we discussed multiple concepts related to multi-threads. We are creating multiple threads. How you are providing synchronization, that is the same shared resource is utilized by more than one thread. How it is possible? So, you already know Java is multi-threaded programming language. Next, dynamic language. Dynamic in a sense, up to now we discussed loading of the classes at the compile time. It is possible to load the classes at the runtime. Suppose you have one method, class dot for name of. By using this method, we are loading the classes at the runtime. Instead of blindly copying all the classes, whatever required, I directly load the required classes. Now, the last and the most important feature, why Java becomes most popular. Platform independent. Platform independent means Once we compile the Java program, it generates the bytecode. The bytecode is executed on any platform, whether it is a software platform or hardware platform, whatever it is. It runs on any platform. Okay. So it follows write once. If you return the program one time, run anywhere means you can run the program any mission or any platform. That is a platform independent. These are the main important features that are supported by Java. Okay. This is the end of Java Buzzwords. Thank you.